Alright, so the Fold 8 series is finally out. You've probably seen the event, or you're probably in the middle of watching it because this video is going to come out at the exact same time. If you're considering getting one of these things, you're probably also trying to look for a good case. And today, we're going to look at a case that comes to us from SUPCASE. And I'll be completely honest, they sent this case out to me to show to you guys. I'm not being paid for any of this. Let's have a look at what SUPCASE is giving us for the Fold 8 Ultra. Also, this video is being recorded a couple of days before the launch event, so I'm not even 100% sure if this is still called the Fold 8 Ultra, but if it is the Fold 8 Ultra, it's the Fold 8 Ultra. If not, we're just going to call it the tall one. So, the tall one. So the first thing we're getting in the box is a extended warranty sticker. Okay, fair enough. And the second thing we get is instruction, and the instructions are basically on how to use the stand and how to install the damn thing, which I don't think we're going to be needing. So let's get everything out of the box first and see what it looks like. So that definitely is the back part of the case. That looks so good, by the way. I actually really like this design. And we're gonna go for the other part. We're gonna leave the box on the side as well and see what this is saying. All right, so with the instruction manual as well, I know it's a little bit too bright, so let me tone it down just a slight bit for now. They also give us some adhesive stickers, so that's one thing you should probably keep in mind if you want one of those things. But otherwise, it's got a kickstand mode that would also let you magnetically charge your phone. And the front is just straightforward. So we've got the clear case or the clear screen. And then we've got the privacy glass. So when you turn this thing to the side, you should not be able to see it. So we're going to open both of these up. I'm going to show you what both of these look like. And there's an adhesive strip on the side as well. All right, so this is what the privacy glass looks like. So the more you turn it, it just turns black. You've probably already seen this on something like the S26 Ultra, which is on that table. Pretty interesting. So that basically tells me already that these phones are not going to have the tech from the S26 Ultra with the privacy glass on the front, which I hope they do because I haven't seen the event yet. So the clear one is pretty straightforward. Again, I'm going to peel off the adhesive. I'm going to peel off the front. Well, the back and the front, and this is what we've got. So this is what the clear one looks like, and as the name suggests, it is pretty clear. Let's put this on the phone. So I'm probably gonna go ahead with the clear one. I don't really see the point in using this one just yet. And honestly, already really impressed by the strength of the hinge. It seems like it's quite in place back there. I'm gonna chuck this piece in the front. All right, there you go. And then for the back, or for the side, the hinge is supposed to sit just like that. So I'm gonna pop that back in and just slide this back on, click it into place, and we should be golden. This is what that case looks like, and it looks like an absolute monster, I'm not gonna lie. It looks so clean. From the front, doesn't look so bad, seems to be well protected. It is raised on the sides as well, as you can see. So if you do have any corner drops with this thing on, you should be pretty okay. So nothing to worry about on that front. All the ports and the cutouts seem to be in the perfect position, so not something I'm terribly worried about on that front as well. But otherwise, looks pretty good. Opens up just fine. The hinge also seems to be pretty well protected. So if you are thinking of pre-ordering this phone and you want to pick up a case like this, I will leave some links for you guys down below so you guys can go ahead and check it out. And with all that being said, I shall catch you guys later.